First we will make a slip knot. And then make 21 chains. Now skip one chain from the hook and in the second chain make one double crochet. After the double crochet, make chain 1 and make a slip stitch in the same chain. Now this is our first petal. For the next petal, slip stitch in the next chain. After the slip stitch, make chain 1, 1 double crochet, again chain 1 and slip stitch in the same chain. So for every petal we will do 1 slip stitch, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1 and again slip stitch. Now you have to repeat this pattern in every single chain. Once you finish making all the petals, do a chain 1 and cut off the yarn. You can just simply tie the yarns together to secure the flower, or maybe just stitch it inside the flower using a needle. So our first lavender flower is done. I will make 2 more in different colors and then we will attach them together in the bouquet. Again we will start with the same pattern with a slip knot and then 21 chains. Once you are done with the 21 chains, make a double crochet in the second chain from the hook. Then chain 1 and slip stitch in the same chain. And for the rest of the flower, we will do 1 slip stitch, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1 and slip stitch in the same chain. Now I have 3 lavender flowers in 3 different colors. For the bouquet, I will use this small granny square which I made earlier. To make the bouquet, you have to stitch 2 adjacent sides of the granny square together. Take a needle and just stitch both the sides together this way. Now take any glue available and attach the lavender flowers inside the bouquet.